Affirmative.
No. You gotta listen to the way people talk. You don't say affirmative or some shit like that. You say, no problemo. And if someone comes up to you with an attitude, you say, eat me. And if you want to shine them on, it's hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Yeah, or later, dickwad. And if someone gets upset, you say, chill out. Or you could do combination.
Chill out, dickwad.
That's great. See, you're getting it.
No problemo.
You got any cash?
I got a couple $100. I'll give you half. Mom!
Get some food.
No sense of humor. And that's another thing. You can lighten up a bit yourself. This Revere routine is getting old, okay? I mean, you're acting like such a geek. Smile once in a while.
Smile?
Yeah, you know, smile. Watch. Hi, nice place you got here. How's business? Give me a break. Okay, bad example. See that guy over there? That's a smile. That's good. Maybe you could practice in front of a mirror or something. Want some of my fries? Need any help?
No.
I got you! No, you didn't! I got you! No, you didn't! I got you! I came right here! I got you! You did it! I told you I'm clever!
We're not gonna make it, are we? People, I mean.
It's in your nature to destroy yourselves.
Yeah. Major drag, huh?
Break it up before I wring both your necks.